Hello everyone, I'm excited to come back. Today I'm going to do my Christmas makeup. If you're interested, just stay with me. I've done my face, I applied some foundation, and now time for my eyebrows. Yes, you see it right, they're white. Oh my god, I feel naked. I needed to put some mascara because I feel strange with white eyebrows. Okay, next step, I'm going to use Peel Is eyeshadow base. With the Peel Is base, it's recommended to apply eyeshadow straight on the base. Do not use any powder. However, you can try with the powder and it's still good. So today I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use Stacey Mary Carnival palette, and I'm going to use the palette by Juvius. And this one is Masquerade. I will start from the Stacey Mary palette, from this color Mint, and I will apply directly on the cut crease. Now with the Eva blending brush, I will blend out the eyeshadow. From the Stacey Mary, I will use Recharge, this dark blue, I really want in an inner corner, like really highlight. Instead of eyeshadow, always you can use a highlighter as well. I will use a really light eyeshadow from Inglot. I will apply this in an inner corner to just a highlight. Next step, I will apply white eyeliner. So my eyes, they're nearly done. Okay, I can take this stick as well, let's see. Yeah, I'm just tapping strip lash or individual lash in glue, waiting around 30 seconds and just apply on your eyelid. Mascara. I will use this pink. Pink or red concealer is really good when you have dark circle under your eye. Green is good when you have broken capillaries or really red on your face, or also you can cover some single spots. First applying green and after concealer and foundation. Concealer I will use from the Revlon 02. Bronzer from the NYX, that's bronzer in liquid. Okay, so now it's just a bronzer in a powder and I'm going to use from Avon. And it is important when you're applying bronzer, go really close to your ear. You can go even over your baby hair. And really blending and going slightly down. It is important to make like a smile line, so that it will highlight your cheekbones and that will look better. Okay, so I just needed to stop my bronzing because I got the parcel and I'm wondering what is inside. It's book. I ordered some book. It's about health. Nothing. Like, it's interesting, but I don't know if depends if you're really interested. It's in Polish as well. It's about how to change diet, how to detox, how to cleanse your body. It's about Candida. So you can just Google what is Candida and you will find loads of information about this. Okay, so I'm just going to bronze we'll just finish bronzing. And I will bronze another side. I will next use a powder, setting powder from the Karolina, and then I will just highlight my bronzer, like that's kind of baking. I finish my eyes, I apply some lipstick, and actually this is eyeshadow from Yves Saint Laurent, and also I applied some shimmer on my décolleté. So first of all, I used a shimmer oil from brand CYO, and on the top I use Vibo Chrome drops, and at the end I use a kind of glitter mist, and this one is from Douglas from Poland. So effect is really beautiful. When you want to have really glow your décolleté for the night out, it's the great idea to do like this. Okay, next step, I'm going to add some Christmas look. I need white paint. I already have on my hand, and also I need like Christmas decoration. You can get in any shop in Poundland, I think. And I did the same last year, and I'm going to do this year as well. It's just a slightly update look.